Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Minecraft texture pack. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your computer and search for Minecraft default texture pack. Now click on the first link and then click on download links. Click on the link which matches with your Minecraft version. And now download should start. Now navigate to your downloads folder, extract the downloaded file, open the folder, go to assets, then Minecraft. And the bottom you will see a folder named textures. Open it and you will find all the texture file. For example, let's go to the block folder. Here you will find all the block texture. You can open these files in any photo editor like Photoshop, so edit them whenever you want. But keep in mind, when you save or export the file, don't change the file names. Keep it as it is, and when you launch your game, you'll find some changes in the textures. So that's pretty much it. That's how you edit a Minecraft texture pack. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.